everyone, Rosie from CartKit here to help teach you about our Add to Cart pop-up feature for Consistent Cart. The Add to Cart pop-up is a small window that displays when someone adds an item to their cart so that they can enter their email and you can follow up with them later. Once you have enabled the Add to Cart pop-up, it will automatically work on your website. But before we get there, let's go over how to configure this feature together. Let's head into the app under Growth Tools and find the pop-up feature. Click Configure. Then click the Enable button to get started. We want the pop-up to look and feel like your own, so you can of course customize the text and colors to suit your business. But don't forget to save your progress. Here's what this looks like on our educational mock-up site. Let's go add Consistent Cart to our carts for fun. See how the pop works for you to save the contact information? Pop-ups work amazingly well, and there's a good chance I put my email in to stay in the loop. Standard abandoned carts only work if the customer reached the checkout page and puts in some of their information. But if I abandon this purchase, Consistent Cart now has my email to send me a reminder to complete it. Let's check out the app under Cart Activity. You can see my abandoned cart here, and aha, there's my email. Another sale saved.